probe can be inserted into the vent line while the vent line is under vacuum by utilizing the extraction mark on the RheoVac probe. With the valve closed, insert the probe to the extraction port. Secure the compression fitting and open the valve. Loosen the compression fitting and allow the vacuum to slowly draw the probe into the vent line to the stop clamp. Secure the compression fitting finger tight plus 1/4 turn, making sure that the flow arrow is aligned in the direction of flow. The RheoVac probe can be removed from the vent line while under vacuum by utilizing the extraction mark on the probe shaft. First, loosen the compression fitting and firmly pull the probe out of the vacuum line until the extraction line is visible. Close the ball valve assembly and remove the probe the rest of the way from the vent line.